Alright guys, welcome back, and this is still Osmosis Effect. So let's go through cable and let's see what we have for cable for this week. Let's go through cable and see what we have for this week. So I don't monthly to show. So you can see we have a lot of monthly to show. I just follow what I have here. So which one is now EX? Okay, let me just leave that one. Alright, we have from here, let me deduct this. My expectation is to take out this inducement on GU. So I'm seriously bullish with GU for GU to take out this. So what do we have? We have a sweep, a break. We have a lot of sweep that was created. This is one sweep, and this is another sweep. Yeah. So price sweep, and continue to give us notifications of sweep. So what we have is push up, price drop, rally, and drop. This is the first sweep, which is also the first flip. This was supposed to be a demand. I didn't want to put it because it's making my chart too deep. This is a demand. This last doji candle was a demand. So price reacted to it and boom. So this man was the man that betrayed the demand and allowed the demand to be taken. So when price came in here, we have a good sensitization, a clear. Then we have a new high. Then price came down, and we have a change of character here. When we have a change of character, this was our OB. Price came back with this into this OB, and price pushed. Okay, after which price pushed, price then come back to this OB. So price pushed and take out this supply. It took it out. After taking it out, it confirmed that the supply has been sucked. So after the supply was sucked, we need a retracement because we've taken all the money we want here. So we are looking for a new push to take out all this external range liquidity and head out for this magnet. So that was why we had I think I'm just gonna delete all this, should I? But I think you've done your work here, and let me do anymore. You've done your work also. Yeah, so when price wasted all this time, came back, tapped into the zone. When price tapped into the zone, we saw a rally base, and we're expecting a rally continuation so that we can see a lower time frame confirmation. That weekly already confirmed that we are bullish, so we'll target this first line and upward. So let's go down to daily and see how price reacts in this zone from a daily perspective. You know, this is a weekly perspective, and we wait on a weekly to see a change of character, but no, we won't do that on a daily or a 4-hour time frame. We will just follow the immediate lower time frame support. And what do we have on daily? Daily seems to be a little bit different. Why do I have all this reaction? Okay, so when price came into here, we have a rally base rally. So this was where the reaction, but we have something here. price came back for this zone, this demand here. When price tapped into it, we have a rally base, rally formation. After price closed out this rally base, rally formation, which means a change of character was formed, the price came back into it today. GG, price came back into it today, and we have a push for this high. So this is a weekly high, but it's a daily target. So what I was explaining was this. Okay, it seems my internet is somehow, that's why most of the things here is not showing. Or if I can just use my line to explain, I have this taking, then I have this, then presently, it's sucking. So we have a break of structure to the downside, and we have a change of character to the upside. Okay, so the change of character to the upside after. So this will be our the choke. Choke here, and we could say this guy is a demand by the fair value gap. We can also say from this high to this low is a demand. Why? Because we have a fair value gap here, but the way market is seeing it, market didn't come back for it. So this is just a full stretch here, and here, a full stretch. So we have a drop back into this zone, and we'll continue to the higher side. So this also signifies that we now have a full candle here. You can see that this follows the line, this follows the line. This breaks out of the line but close inside. Everything here close. But now we have a significant close out of that trend. And from this trend in chart pattern, this trend means a descending channel. If you come across something like that before on the chart view or a chart pattern setup, is called a descending channel, and a descending channel is meant to take price to the upside. Now that we have broken out of this zone, I'm looking to see this magnet of this to be the magnet that we'll be heading for, but this is just still a fresh breakout, so we could still look for as many opportunities as possible. Now on a daily, this would be the zone, but mostly I would say this is my daily zone. Daily and then this is my fair value gap here. Okay, it probably looks like they are all there. So I was wondering what's going on. They were all there. So this is, you can see there's a fair value gap here after price takes this out. So let me just clean out this one that I did also. Taking some. So currently I'm on a bullish setup, but we have a supply at the top here, so I'm waiting for that supply to be taken out, so we could have a flip and I get a good entry. So price reacted here, reacted, took this out low, took out the demand, took out X, and is retracing back to the supply zone at the top here. So let's look at that supply zone on a 4-hour time frame, so that we could see how it looks like. So because this confirmation from this candle breakout is very observative. It's something that you should pay attention to, and don't jump into conclusion. A lot of people that I see jump into conclusion. So you can see our price is still in structure. Price is still in structure, and after which price broke, tapped into this, we have price take out some key area liquidity, because there's a lot of liquidity at this place. Price took out few, and we have this sweep. Price came back here. You can see there's a lot of liquidity in here. There's a lot of liquidity, because I knew I already had these ones. So now price, you can see what price did here. Price took out the supply and flipped on the supply. Now we're in the next supply, and which is very sure that price will flip on this supply also, which is very sure that price will flip on this supply. So if price should flip on this supply, then we have this zone to be a demand, because this is where the starting of the flip. So if I have full impulsive, and fully positive, then if price should retrace, I'll make this my demand, because this was the last person that flipped and picked up funds to push price up. So there should still be more funds in this guy's candle here. Okay, so price might not come back into this zone. I feel this zone is too far for price to come back into, so price has picked up from this major zone and has started moving. So what we need to look for is order flow here, order flow here, order flow here, order flow broken here. So it seems like this order flow that was broken has started to reamend itself here, and now we're in this present state. So I'm expecting a flip. Let me show you what I mean by that flip. I believe all of you have heard me talk about flip a lot, because I used to see flip happen right in my eye, and I feel like, oh, why me? Why didn't I see this? So I took some time to look into flip and know how it works. Alright, I can put my stop here. That's 70 something. I'm gonna enter immediately though. So I'll wait for breakouts of this zone, retest of this zone, then boost. You hear the dumb shell. So where are we heading to? We're heading to this guy here. So it's a big one. If you can hold, if you find a good entry, go for it. It's just about a good entry. If you can find a good entry, then you're good to go. You can hold it if you want to. Sometimes I love to hold it, but sometimes something just happened that I can't really talk about. That just makes it unable for me to hold it completely. So we love to withdraw, it helps the psychology. So sometimes I just take and withdraw some and just ignore the move, because sometimes the market can be mean. Alright, I think that's that on G for now. Let's enjoy the roll throughout this week and see how we can look for a good opportunities to still getting in this zone. Alright, bye guys for now.